So guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you can see this is come to this website www.gigabyte.com. This is, and then this is search button. Okay, click on search, then enter your model number, and then hit enter B660MK DDR4. Then click on the title of the motherboard. Click on support. Then guys, select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11, 11 Windows 10, 11. Okay, so select any installations process same. You can see this video and you can install the driver. Okay, so first is Realtek audio driver and click to download. After downloading, you can see this is start downloading here. So it is completed. Just open it and then double click to exe. Now this is extracting for installation. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. You can see this is, it will take some time and it will close automatically, means this is installed successfully and 100%. So it is close, means this is installed.